Hi, my name is Robert Delgado, and in this video we'll be going over on completing the special amit enrollment form for concurrent enrollment. From your Insight homepage, please locate the tile LMC Student Forms. From the next menu, please scroll down to Special amit Enrollment Form. This will prompt a new window to appear. Please make sure to read all instructions carefully. Once you're ready to move on, please enter the parent or guardian's first name, last name, and email address, and hit continue. From the next screen, you will notice that there's a timer on the top right corner. Please make sure to submit the form within this time frame, otherwise the system will log you out. You will notice that some of the information has been pre-populated. You'll begin by entering your date of birth, followed by your phone number. If there are any prerequisites that need to be cleared for any of the courses that you wish to enroll, please make sure to upload your transcripts by choosing File and selecting the document. Please select the term that you wish to enroll. Enter the section of the course that you wish to enroll. Please note that this is a 4-digit number located in the course title. Once you enter the section number, the information will auto-populate. Please note that there are spaces for 3 courses per form. If you wish to request for additional courses, you will need to submit a second form. Please select your grade level. Locate your high school and counselor from this drop-down menu. Enter the counselor's first name and last name. If your high school counselor is not on the list, please make sure that you enter their email in this space below. If you are of age 14 or 15, please make sure you enter the years of age next to the age waiver. If you are interested in enrolling in more than 7 units for the fall or spring semester, or 5 units for summer, please make sure that you enter the units next to the unit waiver. Once you fill the form, please click on Click to Sign. This will prompt a pop-up window. Please make sure to read the information carefully. Enter your information and sign electronically. Then hit Next. And then hit Next again. Please make sure to read the Special amit Enrollment Expectation Responsibilities. Once you are ready to submit the form, click Submit Form. Once your form has been submitted, you will receive the following confirmation. The form will then be routed to your high school counselor for review and a signature. It will then be routed to your parent or guardian. If you have any questions, please contact our office. Thank you.